welcome to another vlog. I am shooting early this morning, so I need to do my makeup. Let's go get set up. Maybe I'll get ready on camera today. How about that? Let's do a little get ready with me. We've got a friend here today. Oh, we've got two friends here today. I don't have like a makeup area set up in this house, so I've just been sitting on the couch getting ready and, you know, enjoying the view out the window, and I'm liking it. So this part of the video, I partnered with Lancome to show you some products, and I'm really excited. I put these back in the box, but I've already used them. This is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I picked the shade 210 Buff Neutral, and that's the foundation, and I also have the concealer, but we'll go to that in a second. Actually, I need to clip my hair back first. Like I said, I'm working a lot today. I have a lot of like, I say shoots, but I mean like filming TikToks and reels and whatnot and all that fun stuff. So definitely need to get ready here. All right, now that my hair is clipped back, this is the foundation. Again, it's the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. It has SPF 15, and you're supposed to be able to wear this for up to 24 hours. Now, I wore this a couple times already, but I was just around the house. I wasn't doing anything. It's supposed to be ultra wear. Obviously, it's called ultra wear for like 24 hours. And I'm gonna put it to the test today against the desert heat, which today it's supposed to be like 112 degrees. Got a few errands to run before Jace's family gets into town, so we're gonna be putting this to the test. Again, I got the shade 210, which is Buff Neutral. And it's a little light when it first goes on, but it does kind of dry down a little bit darker. Get you close in so you can see how it actually applies. I've been wearing this for like the past week, and I really enjoy the coverage and the finish. It kind of dries down to be a little bit more of like a matte finish, but I feel like it still has a little bit of like a natural glow to it. One thing I really like about this foundation is that it's oil-free and non-comedogenic, or is that how you say that? Basically, it won't clog your pores, is what that means. I have acne-prone skin, and so I've been testing this out. Oh, bye. I've been testing it out for about a week. If I'm gonna break out from a foundation, which I definitely have in the past, it happens within the first day of wearing it. So happy to report this foundation is gorge. The shade range is pretty nice too. They have 50 shades, so that's nice. And again, this kind of darkens, deepens a little bit as it dries down, so looks a little bit lighter right now. Next up, the Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. I've also been using this week. I really like the applicator on this. Let me show you. It's like it's a big boy. So you're supposed to be able to use this all over just for, you know, color correcting, blemishes, dark circles, the whole shebang. But I'm gonna use it as just a regular old concealer. I have the shade 95, which I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it means ivory. Put a little bit under my eyes, my nose. Oh, it's just the usual spots. And I still blend out with my beauty blender. I do really enjoy this concealer, and I feel like the shade I picked was the right one for brightening. This concealer is supposed to be really hydrating, and it's not supposed to settle into any fine lines or anything like that. So I'm gonna put her to the test today as well. I love the finish. It's just so, like, my skin just looks super healthy. That's what I like about it. So this is the base. I'm gonna go ahead and finish like my eyebrows and stuff really quick, and then I will come back and show you what I'm shooting for the day. Okay, here is my finished makeup for the picture I'm taking. It's kind of like a no lashes look. Skin looks amazing. Honestly, I've been sitting around. I had to make like some Instagram stories for some things that were going on the past couple days. If you know, you know. And after that, I was snacking on some honey roasted chipotle peanuts. I've been sitting around hanging out with my dogs for like a couple hours. So this is my skin after a couple hours. I didn't use any powder today. Obviously I have like bronzer and blush on, but they were cream products. If you see right here, I have these tiny wrinkles, like smile lines from, but it doesn't look like the foundation's actually sitting into them, and no creasing under my eyes, so that's a good sign. I was saying I'm filming reels and TikToks today on like recreating like that girl. I was trying to do like what are these called? Quotes. That girl kind of picture, you know, the like cool it girl you see on Instagram, and like how did she take that picture kind of thing. So I have one that I saved that I thought the girl just looked so cute. I'll show you right here. She's wearing like a little crop top and some overalls, and I keep getting notifications, but she just looks cute and effortlessly cute and cool. So we're gonna try and recreate this picture. I have my hair done kind of similar. Let's go find my outfit. I did buy a pair of overalls for this picture. They didn't have any in the denim color, but they did have, I'll show you. I don't have a tripod in here, so actually let's go in the bathroom. Maybe that'll work better. You guys will be familiar with this spot where I always put this camera. Kind of. Now I have to stand on my tippy toes. Anyways, I went to Free People and they were out of denim, like I said, so I just picked up these. I haven't even tried them on yet, so I don't even know what's gonna happen. I also got these cute earrings. Are you kidding? They're so cute. I might have to put those on for this picture. I always wrap everything at Free People. It's like opening a Christmas present. Okay. These are the overalls. I got a size small. How cute. They have like little peace signs all over them. So I don't have, this might shock some of you, but I don't have like a black long sleeve crop top that I can find. So I bought something else. This is from Princess Polly. It's just like a mesh long sleeve black top, so I'm going to kind of just roll it up and hope for the best. So let me get dressed and I'll be right back. Feels like this smell is actually a little big. Sorry if you're just looking at our dirty shower door. I really need to clean it. Lenny peed on our blanket last night. Love that. All right, here's a better look. Cute. So this will kind of be like a little more slouchy and down, so you can see some of the tummy. And I did kind of like a no makeup to kind of match her vibe of the picture, but obviously still put my own twist. So I need a necklace, and I think we're ready to take this picture. Oh my gosh, this is all happening so fast. I have like hundreds, not hundreds, I have probably like 20 necklaces, and I'm always like, but that's not the one. You know what I mean? I think the one she's wearing is like just one long necklace that has like one thing on it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do this one if I can get it untangled from everything else. My boobs are so squished. I'm also wearing a push-up bra I got from Skims. I haven't owned a push-up bra in years, and Skims really nailed it with this one. You can't tell because the girls can't breathe right now, but it's very comfortable. I love how it looks. Let's turn off these lights so we don't waste energy. And let's take some pics. I've been talking about how I'm trying to drink this water bottle because I need to be drinking more water, and I didn't finish it yesterday. This might sound really dumb, but does anyone else have trouble drinking like flat water? I just need the bubbles. I need the sparkly. Oh, it appears I have a phone call in 4 minutes, so never mind. We're gonna have our business call, and I will come back to you to take pictures. All right, done with my business call. Is this gonna fall off? it shaking? I'm done with my business call. Okay, I don't know why this is shaking, but anyways, done with my business call. I am getting so excited because I've been working on things for so long, and I'm saying too much already, but I have some things in the works and I'm really excited about them. Some of it's coming soon, some of it's not coming soon, but I will share more when the time is right. My tripod, my other one is outside. Hold please. All right, got the trusty tripod. I will link her down below. The best tripod for taking Instagram pictures with your phone. Okay, so basically, let's pull the picture up again. I'm actually gonna film a TikTok, so there's gonna be no sound here for a second once I start shooting. She's so cute. This is the picture, just again for reference. And let's see what we can get here. If you're interested in a full tutorial on how I'm doing it, go over to my TikTok or my Reels so you can listen in. I've started doing kind of like a series over there on like how to take pictures and stuff. So if you have any requests for certain pictures, like if you find one on Pinterest and you want to know like how to get the same effect with the edit or how to take the picture, just send it to me and I'm your girl. Let me just get my trusty phone out of this tripod. We took a lot of pictures. My phone is overheating actually. We've got like a lot to go through. So I'm gonna sit down and edit some. I'll show you when I'm done, but I have another picture and thing that I want to take today. So we're also going to probably do that. Jace just went to get us food. I am so hungry. We've been eating at home a lot lately, and today, like, we've just been preparing the house for his family to get here, and today we just don't have it in us to cook, so he went out to get us some Chef Tanya's best vegan food in the desert, I swear. Chef Tanya. Leonard, do it again, and you won't be playing with your toys. Chef Tanya's best vegan food sandwich in the desert, so good. Oh, we match, Ozjo. We match, Ozjo. Okay, gonna go work and eat. Toodaloo, see you later. I put on this different shirt because it's a little more comfy. We already ate, or else I would show you the food. I was so hungry, and I just kept eating and eating, and there's nothing left to show of it. It is so hot outside. I thought I'd show you my makeup in direct sunlight after wearing it all day. Just got back from Target, just got done editing some pictures and stuff. Still preparing for Jace's family to get here. Got some more cleaning to do, and I have to film another video. And we've got the Bowies. Hello, babe. Hello, boy. You doing your trick? Spin, Lenny. Lenny, spin. Spin, Lenny. Spin, Lenny. Good boy. Oh, and a little update on Nixie. He is loving the extra attention that he gets from having a little cast. How are those dishes treating you? Oh my gosh.
You know, there's just always more.
Are you loving doing the dishes?
No, because the record stopped and I didn't flip it. My hands are all wet.
Oh, let me switch it for you. Jace was listening to the Beach Boys. Oops, it's still zoomed in. Oops, nope, that's the wrong way. Must flip
Dusty.
the record. What?
It is a little dusty.
It is dusty. I don't know the correct way to handle records, so
No.
Was that the wrong way?
Yeah.
What do I know? Alright, let's hit
Got
start.
delicate.
That was delicate. Ew, it is dusty. We got pet sounds. Alright, I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I need to get out of here immediately.
Sorry, you can
It's okay. Okay, so I just want to do a little check-in. I need to look in the mirror to see my skin. It actually looks really good. I only have like a little sweat mark here. But I am pleasantly surprised with this foundation and concealer. Definitely gonna keep using it, but I love that it didn't break me out. It's a yes for me. I have it linked down below. It's available at Ulta, so I'll link it. And you can check it out if you're interested in trying a new foundation. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I know it was kind of like a short and sweet one this week, but like I said, we have family coming to town, so there's a lot going on. And I'll be back next week for another one. Bye.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning?